Hi there. Today in science, we are going to continue working with our severe weather. Last time we met, we talked about and found out about different severe weather events. And we came up with our list: thunderstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes, blizzards, floods, hail, and wind. I sent you off to do some research on those to see what they looked like, to help you to imagine what it would be like being in one of those weather events. Today, you are going to choose one of those weather events that you would like to find out more about. I want you to think about what causes that event. What impact does it have on the environment? What impact does it have on human structures? These are all our essential questions for our learning unit. So now that we've looked at severe storms and thought about our own experiences with them, like my windstorm story, others shared about thunderstorms with bright lightning and loud thunder, heavy rainstorms that caused flooding, fallen trees and power outages, and snowstorms that left behind so much snow there was nowhere to shovel it. Weather impacts our lives every day. Severe weather can change that daily routine in an instant. Today, you will begin your research of that weather event of your choice. As you research, I want you to consider the questions that I've already asked and to take notes on them on your note-taking sheet. Your research notes may be written on paper or typed in a Word document. To help you out, I'm going to show you how to create a note-taking paper. Simply take a clean sheet of white paper. I took my paper and I folded it in half like a hamburger, and in half like a hamburger again. Then I opened it up, and where the folds were, I made my lines. I drew a box in the middle to write down the name of the storm that I wanted to research. So today I wrote thunderstorm. In my 4 boxes, I wrote down the things that I'm going to research. I need to find the cause of thunderstorms. I need to find out the impact on the environment. What do thunderstorms do to the world outside? What is the impact on human structures? What do these storms do to our houses, to our buildings, to telephone poles and electric poles, things that we've built? And how can people help reduce that impact? What can we do when we know one of these storms is coming so that some of these impacts on our human structures and our natural structures doesn't happen to it? Can we prevent some damage? So here's my note-taking sheet. This is where you will record your research. You may do it here on a piece of paper. This is one way of doing it. If you're working in a Word document, you can create the same piece, or you can create a different page for each piece of your research. Even if you're doing it by hand, writing it, you can use more than one sheet of paper. Maybe you think you need more space and you will only do causes at the top and your impact at the bottom, and you will need to use 2 sheets of paper. Whatever is best for you. So you're going to pause our video now and create your note-taking sheet. And then I want you to press the play button and come back. So now you have your research paper ready to, your note-taking sheet all ready to go, and you've decided on what weather event you're going to research. Your assignment today is to complete your research. You may write it on the paper. You may type it in a Word document. This research is due to Mrs. Mulligan by Monday, April 27th. Okay? You will email me your documents as an attachment or as a picture and an attachment to my email. All science assignments for this week will come in one email, along with your writing attachments for this week. I want you to understand I need to receive one email from you with all of your assignments for me. Your math assignments are going to your math teacher, and your reading assignments are going to Miss Mayer. Please make sure that you are sending your right assignments. The next thing I want to remind you to do is, where do you go to research? I have provided a YouTube video to help you with finding some of your research pages. I have sent an attachment with those research places with hyperlinks so that you can go right there. These I've provided you with discovery.com, pebbledope.com, where you can do lots of extra activities if you want to. You can go on YouTube and look at Crash Course for Kids. She's wonderful and gives lots of information about different severe weather events. Or you can look up your own things on kidrex.com, which will send you to many different sites to help you answer your question. These are by no means the only search engines you can use, but they are some that you would want to use. So off you go. Enjoy your research, and I will let you in on a little secret. You'll be using this research on our next assignment to create a project. So good luck, gather lots of information, and enjoy what you're doing. See you later.